Hello students, previous lecture we were saying methods of preparation of alcohol. Okay, in that first method by using alkanalide, alkanalide is treated with the aqueous KOH and formation of the alcohol. Second method from alkene which on hydration takes place by using concentrated H2SO4 and formation of the propane to oil by using Markovnikov's rule. You know the third method from alkene which on hydroboration oxidation takes place in formation of the propane 1. Next, fourth method from carbonyl compounds. You know that carbonyl compounds containing carbonyl group, example aldehyde, ketone, acid, esters. Okay, reduction of carbonyl compounds. Last lecture we have seen by using reduction of carbonyl compounds by using ranitidine. Second, B by using nascent hydrogen or sodium amalgam, and C by using LiAlH4. Okay, students, you know that all this method. Now, today we are going to discuss the new method, and it is the last method of preparation of alcohol. Fourth point. The carbonyl compounds are converted into alcohol. In this title, first point reduction of carbonyl compounds, and second point reaction of carbonyl compounds and Grignard reagent. By using carbonyl compound and Grignard reagent, we get the corresponding alcohol. Student, it is an important reaction. बघा लक्षात ठेवा फ्रॉम कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स मध्ये मेन टायटल कुठला आहे रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स त्याच्यामध्ये तीन सब टायटल आहेत आणि तिसरं कुठलं आहे फ्रॉम कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स मध्ये दुसरं मेन टायटल कोणतं आहे रिएक्शन ऑफ कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड एंड ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट ओके स्टूडेंट्स what happens in this method I think these reactions we have seen in the halogen period of alkane, the application of Grignard reagent. You can write the main title, second title is the carbonyl compounds reacts with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Tell me what is the meaning of Grignard reagent? You know that Grignard reagent. Last topic we have seen the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is what? RMGX. RMGX is nothing but it is a Grignard reagent. It is a common form. CH3MgBr. CH3MgBr is nothing but it is a methyl magnesium bromide. It is an example of the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, keeping in mind one thing, Grignard reagent under this dissociation takes place, CH3 carries positive charge, CH3 carries negative charge and MgBr carries positive charge. Okay, students, in this method we are going to discuss carbonyl compound react with the Grignard reagent. You know the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is nothing but it is RMGX. R is equal to alkyl group. Alkyl is nothing but methyl propyl. You know that X is equal to ClBr or I. Example: methyl magnesium propyl, methyl magnesium iodide, ethyl magnesium propyl, ethyl magnesium iodide, or ethyl magnesium chloride. And this Grignard reagent under which dissociation takes place, alkyl group carries negative charge and MgBr carries positive charge. First reaction, we take CH double bond O. Which function representing this compound? CH is nothing but it is a formaldehyde. Previous lecture we have seen this compound. Common name is the formaldehyde. And IUPAC name is a methanol. Okay, this methanol is reacting with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. CH3MgBr. You know that CH3 carries negative charge, MgBr carries positive charge. Okay, in presence of dry ether, in presence of dry, this negative charge, this nucleophilic attack, you know that nucleophile, the atom or group of the atom carries negative charge is called as the nucleophile. This nucleophilic attack on electron deficient carbonyl group. You know that carbonyl group is nothing but the C double bond O group. C double bond O group is used as an electrophile in the electron deficient species. Okay, and this two electron double bond shifted to this side and formation of the new compound CH3. This CH3 comes to this side, breaking of the bond takes place, and this double bond shifted to this side. Oxygen carries negative charge. We can write C H as it is, H both H as it is. Oxygen carries negative charge. MgBr goes to this side. O MgBr. Okay, this is the intermediate compound. Intermediate. Okay. Intermediate is nothing but the intermediate is the formula before formation of the product, which on hydrolysis takes place. You know that hydrolysis is nothing but the addition of water. H goes to this side, Y goes to this side, and formation of the CH3, C, both H we can write CH2 or we can write CH2OH plus MgBr and plus MgBr. Name of the compound is ethyl alcohol. Name of compound is ethyl alcohol, or another name ethanol. Another name is ethanol. Okay, students, keep in mind this important reaction. Formaldehyde is associated with the heavy Grignard reagent in formation of 1 degree alcohol. Formation of 1 degree alcohol. Okay, we can carry out the another reaction. We take CH double bond O CH3. The name of compound is we can write another way CH double bond O CH3. CH3 CHO is nothing but it is a acetaldehyde. It is a acetaldehyde. Or another name of the compound is ethanol. Ethanol is treated with the Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. So we can take CH3MgI. CH3MgI. CH3 carries negative charge. The nucleophilic atom of CH3 on carbonyl group. This group shifted on this side. Same mechanism in presence of dry ether. Okay, and formation of CH3CH3HOMgI. OMgI. This is the name of compound is the methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide. This is the intermediate or adductor which on hydrolysis takes place. H2O. Hydrolysis is nothing but the addition of water and formation of the new compound CH3 CH3OH plus MgIOH plus MgOH. You know the name of the compound 1 2 3 OH group is attached to the second carbon, or it is a secondary carbonator. It is a secondary propyl alcohol. It is a secondary propyl alcohol. And another name is a propane 2OL. Another name of the compound is a propane 2OL. Okay, students, keeping in mind this is important reaction. Formaldehyde is converted into 1-degree alcohol, and acetaldehyde is treated with the any grignard reagent. We get formation of the 2-degree alcohol. Formation of the 2-degree alcohol. Okay, and next it is over. This gas is replaced by CH3 C double bond O CH3. CH3 C carefully. H is replaced by CH3 C double bond O CH3. We can write CO CH3 is a acetone, okay, or propane 2ON. This is the reactant with the any grignard reagent, and formation of the reactant with the any grignard reagent, formation of the 3-degree alcohol. सरांमध्ये तुम्ही हे रिएक्शन करू शकता. म्हणजे हा केटोन घ्यायचा, कुठला ग्रिग्नाइड रिएजंट घ्यायचा, तर तुम्हाला तिथे काय मिळेल, टर्शियरी अल्कोहोल मिळेल. ओके स्टुडंट्स, टुडे विल बी स्टॉप हियर. कीपिंग इन माइंड ऑल these methods, any doubt you can ask me. Okay, today we will stop here. Thank you.